What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and yes, I've been slacking hard. It's been a while since I uploaded. So I've been going through some more stuff. Basically the same stuff, not more stuff, but I've been also very busy. I actually filmed my first ever official commercial for my friend Grant's dad's company, so that was cool. But now I'm trying to get back into vlogging. The year is almost over. I've been slacking for the past 2 to 3 months. Bad. So I'm trying to get back into the game, so I'm really sorry for the lack of content. Plus I've been out of ideas, but tonight I'm gonna be going out and doing a photo shoot with Reaper, and yeah. So before we get into the vlog, let's do a cold start. I haven't done one of those in a while on a vlog, so yeah, let's do a cold start. Sounds good as always, but right now we need gas. That's why this thing is freaking horrible on gas. But you know what? That's what you go when you that's what happens when you go forced induction on a V8. Yeah. Am I saying that right? I'm always, literally always here. Oh, she's nasty in the winter. So you know your car has a shit ton of power when you're in 3rd gear and it spins. Oh, that supercharger whine is so loud right now. She's trying to spin in 4th gear. This car is absolutely insane. God, I love this car. So just met up with Kyle. He is behind me. Me and him going to get food real quick. We were both starving. Then tonight's obviously going to be a nighttime shoot because it decides to get dark at freaking 5 o'clock, which I'm glad they're getting rid of the daylight savings bullshit. So they're getting rid of that finally next spring. Excited about that. But for now, one last time we have to deal with the early getting dark. But right now we're going to get food and then we're going to do our shoot. When you're bored and you try to see if water will freeze instantly.
No, we only have a little bottle of water. That's pretty good.
Give it a few minutes and might freeze.
Yeah. I mean, it's literally 32 degrees, but that's hopefully enough.
Yeah. We're going to go ahead and since we're all depressed, we're just going to go ahead and slip and crack our heads open and yeah, use that as an excuse.
It'll be all right.
So I guess while my photography camera charges, we're going to use his gimbal and get some shots with his iPhone 14. Probably get some flame shots of the exhaust. Alright, so I guess we'll go ahead and do the flame shots.
Yep.
Alright, so I would set my vlog camera down here for vlog content. I don't get why it's being so stubborn. The car's been running for like 30 minutes. I guess it's just that cold outside. I don't know. Alright, we got it working now. So let me close this so whatever little bit warm air I get doesn't escape. Is this frozen yet? Actually it is.
Oh my god.
It's solid. And now we are in the warm high-tech Volvo.
And with the heated seats.
Oh yes, heated seats.
Oh.
Alright, go on. Leave that set there for a minute while I go back up here. Kyle's getting his shots on his iPhone. Alright, so we up here. It actually looks pretty mean. But yeah, go ahead and snap pictures on this camera since my other one's dead. Go ahead and run back down here and do the shot, replicate with the shot that I got with your Volvo. We'll see how it turns out. Alrighty, so we are going to another picture spot with Christmas lights. So yeah. Now that the Sony A64, no, not A6400, what am I saying? A6000 is charged. I'm gonna go get some pictures of my car with the Christmas lights and some of his Volvo. Yeah, I literally found this by accident the other day. I'm like, this is perfect. Alright, got some shots of my car. Now I'm gonna get his. Oh my god, it's way too cold. I need heated gloves. But she is looking beautiful though, look at that. The black's really gonna hit with the Christmas lights. Oh yeah.
Especially in this back portion back here, where it kind of like literally bends all the lights on the
oh yeah, there. Like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's very pretty.
Wow, we got a car coming.
No, it's not. It's not fun at all. Now if we can get like another lift, like if we can find another one of those and drive it over here and get like, raise it up and get shots from above.
That would be cool. That'd be really, really cool. Or like have another lift that have like the lights going over, like over the actual vehicles. That would be really, really cool.
Oh yes. You're going to nut.
Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
Like I said, you're going to nut.
Honestly, if I could get a couple new wallpapers for my phone, because now Apple, with their stupid update, we can't do live photos. I'll at least get a couple of actual good photos.
Here's your oversized condom.
Oh. I've been looking for this. I have no idea why it's stiff. I have no explanation. I definitely nutted in that. No explanation for that whatsoever. I may or may not have been on TikTok. I mean, we also have lots of reflections on this side.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this side.
Yeah.
It'll give me singles.
Yeah, that's fine.
The condom! No!
I was going to use that later.
It was used and crusty. I like it like that.
Ooh. Very nice.
Already is freezing. I got a 40-minute drive home with no heat. But yeah, I had some fun with Kyle today. I decided to do a photo shoot. I will post on my Instagram. My Instagram is like right here. But yeah, let me get home and yeah, we'll do the outro there. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to end the video off here. Sorry I'm in the basement, it looks kind of crappy down here. I just didn't feel like going outside and listen to all the traffic noise. But yeah, sorry the video is a little bit short, but it was something. I haven't uploaded in so long, like I said in the beginning of the video. I've just been slacking so hard, but I'm trying to get back into it. Going to get the Subaru fixed soon. Going to get a new trans for that. So that's going to happen very soon, so we can have some snow fun, have some kind of new content, because with the Mustangs, you can't just go out there in the snow with them, even the Corvette too. Just can't go out there and do that kind of stuff with those cars. But yeah, if you want to see the photos I took tonight, my Instagram is right here. Go give it a follow if you haven't yet. That's where I mainly post all my updates too. So yeah, so if anything does pop up on there, I do post on my Instagram story for any updates, like life updates, whatever pops up. Alright guys, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I don't know if I'll post another video until New Year's. I should. I'm gonna try. But if not, I'll see you guys in 2023. Dang, this year went by quick.